What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got a fresh snow, fresh powder on the ground, and it's very deep. Like, that's deep. That's like really deep. I'm in like a little trench that I made. You know, it's like a nice little trench of snow. Right there's the wall in the trench I made, but like World War I type stuff. But like, yeah. But we're going to check on the animals. I'm gonna show you how deep the snow is, and then probably some other stuff. So right now, let's go check on the chickens while I'm plowing through the snow. It's like plowing through the snow, and we'll check my little house thingy. This thing's stuck. It's frozen. There we go. Oh, what's going on, chicken? It's warm in here. What the heck's warm in here? Why is it warm in here, guys? Look at Larry, man. Look at Larry. Look at him. Goofy as ever. Like, goofy as ever. Larry, 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 Larry. He doesn't like the tripod. What the heck? You have to relax, man. Chicken's up there. Chicken's down there. Larry looks like the goofiest. Larry's the goofiest guy ever. Except for Steve. Steve was a true soldier, but he died, so yeah. But Steve was a true soldier. What, Larry? He's not a true soldier. Alright. Bright. Very bright. Stay warm, guys. Over here, check my little thingy over here. There's a big hole in it. There's a massive hole in it. That wasn't there before. Dang. Everything else looks good. There's snow. There's snow. There's snow in it. Literally everywhere. But for the most part, it's a raccoon skin over there. But yeah, there's a big hole. I have to fix that. Now let's go check on the quackers. The quackers are a little mischievous today. They were running around while I'm trying to chase them. They were jumping on the snow and then running. They're super light. They don't do anything. See if you guys can see them. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're in there. So you can see them on this one too. I hope you guys can see them. Hopefully it wasn't just black. But, yeah. Oh, you guys see them. They're just chilling. And I'm going to show you how deep the snow is now. It's very deep. It's like 2 feet, I think. I'm going to walk through it. And I'll show you how deep it is. Walk through this way. And now I'm going to walk through the snow. It's very deep. I don't know how to show you how deep the snow is. But I'll change you guys to the other camera so you can see a little better how deep the snow is. Now you can see how deep the snow is. It is up to here on me. And it's pretty crazy. I'm walking through it and I am absolutely submerged in snow. There's a lot of snow. Watch this, watch this. Hope you guys can see this good, but snow. Yeah, it's very deep. very deep. As you can see, it's up here, my knees, and that's pretty deep. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna walk through the snow. We're gonna walk through the snow, and hopefully, oh, found something. And wait, watch. Oh, correct in the snow. Up the snow. See, snow's like 2 feet of snow. It's a lot of snow. I'm gonna see if I can run in the snow. See if I can run in the snow. Kind of did it. It worked. All right, run back to this. The snow is like super deep. Goodness, that's a heck of a job. That's some deep snow. Here's a good comparison, right here. That's a good comparison, how much snow it is. A lot of snow. My tree stand, it's covered in snow. Everything's just covered in snow. Fingies are cold. A tree fell down over there in our neighbor's yard. A tree fell down, and we don't want that to happen with these trees. These trees right here, so we had to brush them off. One of them's about to fall, but we got caught it in time and we brushed it off. That's good. I'll literally show you. That tree is supposed to be straight up. Now it's bent, and it's not good. So it's not good at all. So we had to knock off all of the snow off the branches, and it was crazy because I kept on getting snow on me. The whole house filled with snow. Whole house filled with snow. There's like a lot of snow. I keep on saying snow because there's snow. And I don't know what else to really do. It's just snow, man. Just a lot of snow, and it's still coming down. It's still coming on down. That's the crazy part. It's still snowing. I see more snow coming down. My bike, absolutely roasted. Dogs, everyone's all good. This barn, it's abandoned, as you can see it. Barn is no one in there. Steve was in there, but yeah. I guess I'll give you guys a little snow montage, I guess. There's nothing else really to do here, so I'll give you a nice snow montage starting now. Alrighty guys, to end the video, we'll put a little verse of the weekend. So the verse is, God is my shepherd. So what that means is, God's always there with you. What a shepherd is to a sheep is it's salvation. It brings it food. Brings it to food. Brings it healing. Brings it relaxing. And that's what God does. He brings us food. He helps us with being relaxed and not getting mad, and brings us no stress. He helps us no stress. He helps us live and helps us be better every day. Helps us get up every day. Helps us with everything. So yeah, that's about it. So everybody, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to pray, and then everybody have a good day. Hope you liked the video, and everybody have a good day. Bye bye.